Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at the market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Thursday, September 25th, 2014. Got a little bit of a bias to the buy side here, as you can see in the NASDAQ patch. And the other takeaway is that we're mostly down on volume. This is more of a bounce than anything else, at least for now, until it proves itself. But there are a couple features here. Look at Biogen had a really strong day on good volume. Opened up with finished up the day with an open close deviation. BABA is starting to come back here a little bit, which was to the upside today and closed well above the day's VWAP. So that's a little bit of a change of character there after a couple of days of softness right after the opening prints on that from the IPO day. Moving on to the financials, got a couple signals here. They're all on the buy side. Right now we've got an absence of signals on the sell side. We do have a couple of volume bumps here that are notable. Don't have any open close or VWAP deviations in this particular patch. Energy names, good volume today. Much better than the overall market. Only one signal right now is a contra signal to the upside in PBR, but this group is starting to get some attention now that oil may be trying to pivot back to the upside here. Oil closed up around $93, up almost $1.50 today. Market generals, not too much in the way of signals. We do have one contra candle in IBM. No big deviations here. Walmart was close. It actually had a really strong day, closing up above today's open by almost 2% and on good volume. Housing names, mostly contra candles to the upside. Housing sector was weak today, again, but most of these did close above the day's open, so a lot of contra candles to the upside. DHI, there's good volume in. Transports had a volume bump in CSX. We've got an upside CPS and FedEx for tomorrow, FDX. And finally, commodity names. Later volume for the most part. Silver Wheaton is posting a contra candle. That stock's really been beaten up. Keep an eye on that. Double G, another weak day, but that was on volume. And a real weak day today in U.S. Steel, starting to break down out of that tweezer top that we pointed out, and that's moving down to fill that gap. So this could be the beginning of something a little bit more serious than this still. So I may need a bounce day or a measuring day tomorrow after all this selling pressure that it did take today, but keep that on the list going forward. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for Trade.